Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to create an Instagram feed in Mirror app and embed it on a Webflow website so you can add fresh content to your site in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Create your widget. Start by opening the Mirror app website. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Then click Create New Widget. Choose Instagram feed from the widget options. Step 2. Customize the design. Select the source you want to connect and go to the Design section to edit what you want to display on your website. Once your feed is connected, you can customize both its style and structure. Adjust the layout, post template, columns, rows, spacing, navigation, colors, and font settings to match your website. When everything looks right, click the Publish button and copy the installation code in just one click. Step 3. Add it to Webflow. Now let's go to your Webflow website editor. In the Design section, click the plus icon at the top of the left panel. In the Elements list, find the Code Embed element. Please note that embedding custom code is available only on paid Webflow plans. Drag and drop the Embed element to the place where you want the widget to appear. Paste the installation code from Mirror app into the Embed Code Editor window. Then click Save and Close. Finally, click Publish and choose Publish to selected domains to make the changes live. Done! Your Instagram widget will now appear on your website. For more information, visit our Help Center and explore the links in the description.